Ronaldo cry.
Ronaldo cry at the World Cup, 100%.
What's the liquidity on that?
Oh, let's see that.
Okay. Cue the music. No, we're not doing music anymore, aren't we?
I can't hear the music ever.
Yeah, we're not doing music anymore. We have the whoa.
The thing we spent like half an hour on trying to get
That was the whole point, to show how
the right sound.
like people, startups, like they just focus way too much on the the right sound. I mean, the right frames and the right pixel, right?
Yeah.
Um.
So do you have the lower third on right now?
Oh, you want to just jump in right away?
Yeah, because we're pretty much gonna speed through this. There's not a lot of new things, so we just get that out of the way,
Mm.
and we focus on development and what we're
Yeah.
gonna do.
Yeah. I did finish putting the video together actually last night.
Oh, you did?
I did, yeah. Stayed up till 2 again. So, but this time, if I bring it up, it's like us watching a video of us watching a video of us doing the video.
Okay, we'll watch it ourselves later.
Yeah, it's hilarious. It's fine.
So yeah, first story: North Carolina becomes the first state to legitimize prediction markets. Let me know if you have audio.
Representatives Adrian Smith and Nikki Budzinski
Yeah.
unveiled bipartisan legislation banning members of Congress from prediction market trading on political events, policy decisions, and other government action. The Preventing Real-Time Exploitation and Deceptive Insider Congressional Trading Act applies to all members of Congress, their spouses, and dependent children. It also includes the president, vice president, and all political appointees. But
what the f? Like, sure, okay. I hate these websites. Anyway, any hot takes on this or whatever?
No.
So next story is Polymark launches major U.S. trust building campaign with new. Did you hear that static?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that? Well, I have my thing off, the road thing off, so.
Yeah, your audio just comes in and comes out.
But like, there's nothing. What is affecting? Like, what is affecting it? If I have the road off, the Google Meet thing is off, everything's off. So
It's pretty hard. Yeah, it's pretty hard to find out.
Anyway, do you see the next?
Yeah, so Polymarket launches major U.S. trust building campaign with new.
Yeah. So after 4 years in exile, the prediction market platform Polymarket has begun a well-funded campaign to sell a new version of itself to the American public.
Yeah, of course, the usual faces criticism about allegations of insider trading.
Yeah. So obviously, we know the main differences between Polymarket International and US. International is fully on the block, like on Polygon, and the US one needs a central order book. Kalshi volumes going crazy. We already know this. Next story, Minnesota. Did we talk about Minnesota yesterday? I think we did.
Just to go back to the previous one,
the volume one.
So what's this? How much is the volume being reported now?
1.79 billion daily.
Wow. Okay.
No. Microsoft. We don't care anything about Microsoft. Nature paper. Oh, this I looked into. The Nature paper thing. And the gist of it was basically that this paper traces the rapid evolution of AI in science from early text-based large language models that could draft literature reviews to today's multimodal agentic systems capable of directly operating cloud software and physical lab equipment. Okay. AI-driven hypothesis generation, optimized experimental design, self-driving laboratories, etc. A central contribution is the concept of Sci AI ins, meaning science resurrected to be machine readable and AI native rather than just AI assisted, where findings are captured as structured, fair, compliant data and knowledge graphs that AI systems can act on directly rather than merely interpret from Pros. The article also surveys emerging governance frameworks such as the EU AI Act, and I think we already know most of this shit, right? We're already using like Graphify and the knowledge graphs on our
Yeah.
code bases.
Yeah.
Siemens deploys Amazon Connect. Who cares? Next story. Bonk DAO loses 20 million in malicious. I don't think we covered this. I think this is another hack.
Yeah. I mean, it is a double-edged sword, right? They're probably using Claude to create all these like attacks.
Probably.
That's why, hence all this like deployments and bans, suspensions, right? Like it's
Yeah. Base activates B20 native token for stable coins and tokenized assets.
that's interesting. Okay.
So the B20 is Base's native token standard, meant as a chain's own upgrade to ERC20. It's aimed at stablecoin issuers, real-world assets / equity issuers, and other token creators who need built-in compliance features rather than just building them into their own custom smart contracts. Instead of being a Solidity smart contract, B20 tokens are implemented as Rust precompiles deployed through a singleton factory contract, which makes them cheaper and faster while remaining a full superset of ERC20. On top of that, Base layered several systems, a role-based access control model, so the mint, burn, pause, metadata roles, etc., built on OpenZeppelin's access control. I thought OpenZeppelin was...
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, this is way back. Dude, it's been years since I did anything with Ethereum. Is there a Solana for OpenZeppelin? Funding. Samba Nova raises 1 billion in Series F
Whoa.
at an $11 billion valuation.
Let's bring them up.
Yeah, let's see this. It's backed by Intel.
Mm-hmm.
Since it's Series C. It's been selected by JP Morgan as an inference infrastructure partner.
Yeah, good. We need more chips.
Let's see if it's financial. Next story.
Yeah.
EDX Markets closes a $76 million Series C, led by SBI Holdings.
Okay, let's take a look at EDX.
The funding will support EDX continued growth, enabling the firm to expand its trading, clearing, and settlement capabilities, accelerate product development and scale. It's an institutional-only trading venue.
Mm-hmm.
Were they at Consensus? Did we talk to them? It's like I'm looking at their website. I'm just gonna switch their website. I feel like, or was it another? Because they all look the same.
Good for them. $75 million Series C. Okay. Next.
Adaptive Insurance raises $5 million for AI-driven climate resilience platform. Okay, we're not gonna cover that.
What?
Oh,
that's a huge market.
Yeah,
dude, yeah. That's one of those.
We're gonna follow the Schwab agenda here.
It's one of those approved markets in Canada. So let's take a look.
I don't want anything to do with Canada.
It says here, okay, so they closed $5 million in seed funding, innovative AI-powered climate resilience platform, the funding, all that stuff. So what does it do? Well, accelerate nationwide rollout.
Is this wait? I think our daily intel's fucked up. This was in 2025.
Mm-hmm.
Did they raise 5 million again? Like this is.
That's an old headline. So let's take a look. Good.
In July 2026. Oh, an additional 5 million. Okay, no, it's all good. I guess they just raised.
But was that the same headline though?
So they raised 5 million in February 2025, but then in
another
July
5.
2026 they raised an additional
so same headline. Okay,
so
okay, good.
That's why I was like,
but I'm interested in this platform. So it says flagship product. Look for insurance for short duration power outages. Wow. Wait. Go back up. It says here it pays. How does it work? Okay, go up. Yeah, so there we go. So it pays in as little few days. When the power goes out, select the number of hours and coverage amount. So let's say that the client selects 12-hour trigger to pay 20K. Adaptive tracks power outages in real time. Okay, so then the power goes out for 13 hours. Is there compensation? Adaptive verifies the outage, triggers the first notice. The client verifies, okay, the claim. Dude, it's almost like it's scary that people will sabotage our grid just so that they can make a profit. But anyway, it's insurance for power outages. Interesting. We are running out of power. So,
what's the U.S. oil reserve looking like?
but I'm interested. Can we tap into their API? Probably not. Like, so then how would they? What is their platform? So what data sets can we extract from here? Well, other than the map. So is that real time? So if you take a look at the power outage coverage, get a quote. Can we actually see? There we go. Can I see a dashboard? That would be awesome. Right.
Can't click anything. I don't know.
That's a great data point, though. Knowing where the power outages are.
That's very good.
You were out of a power like for a whole day, right?
Yeah.
You couldn't do anything. Wasted of Claude tokens. Okay, so moving on to what's hot in the market, right? So
yeah.
So what do we got here? France.
France win on the 9th.
Let's take a look at the chart there. Where are they playing?
I believe Morocco.
Yeah, that's right. It was going to be a bloodbath.
Yeah, let's see.
Do you have a chart? Yeah, we have a chart.
Chart's up. So France, 79, Morocco 21.
Yeah. So it's reaching $3 million in liquidity.
So Morocco in this market is 21, but let's just see will Morocco win? Let's see what what it looks like. Here it
14.
says 14. So a little arbitrage opportunity there.
Nice.
Oh, weird. There's a UFC one here. Conor McGregor.
Oh, really?
But he's going to lose.
He doesn't. Yeah, it's like, I don't think he's got enough.
Too much whiskey, right? Let's see. 75 Spain, 26 on Belgium. That doesn't add up to 100.
Okay, so I came up across some stuff this morning. I sent it to you. Let's see here, the DMs. Or did I put it in the... Yeah, I put it in a Slack. Pixel Rag. This was interesting.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. I saw that before.
Okay, so there's a Claude Code plugin. Pixel Browse skill.
Okay.
So yeah, it's worth exploring, right? To see how good it is. This documentation.
Whoa. Breaking news. Sorry, I just saw this on Twitter, like right now, posted like 40 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Out of nowhere, World, remember that prediction market on Solana?
Yeah.
After careful deliberation from the team in the last 24 hours, World has made the decision to migrate off Solana and onto Robinhood. What the hell happened? A big paycheck? Radium's a dex on Solana. I was like, oh, that's funny. Super team. They're just that is hilarious.
So what happened?
What happened? Yes, it's a good question. What the hell happened? Let me copy this.
It's not easy, right? So it's a very competitive landscape, right? So I would imagine that they say, you know, let's just combine our forces together.
I think they got a paycheck. Like they got
Well, not just
paid
that.
out.
Like
Like-
you've got crypto.com, right? And their partnerships and having their own prediction markets. Like you've already got the user base, right? So if you're looking at that, you know, the addressable market is very large, but there's, you know, not everybody has a crypto wallet today. And if you can already team up with an infrastructure that already has the wallets, then it's just, there's your user base. So instant, with the flip of a switch, you've now opened up all these like future contracts to potential customers.
This is crazy.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, I hate saying it. Synergy.
Synergy. But okay, so I'm reading
Let's
here.
synergize synergies.
I asked Grok, what happened? Grok, please explain. So Grok's explaining. It launched on Solana literally 1 week ago as the big Solana native, fully on-chain prediction market.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Integrated directly into Phantom Wallet using Chainlink oracles, and settling in the cash. This is the Phantom Wallet cash stablecoin.
Yeah.
So this was like a Solana Foundation project.
Yeah, so then I think Robinhood just said, like you said, like they're just like, okay, you've built all this, okay, let's just come here. I have the users. I have the users.
Got paid off, but they for sure got paid off.
Well, it's not paid off. I mean, you built something of value that says, okay, well, we have the users. Why, like, otherwise, like, they're just gonna poach all the clients, right?
So Solana Foundation's head of consumer publicly hyped it up, showing what Solana makes possible. Now, after careful deliberation from the team in the last 24 hours, a tactful pivot was not made lightly. The account bio flipped to the Robinhood chain prediction market. What the hell happened? So actually, it says the word you just said. Robinhood chain synergy is just better for synergy. It's just better for the product. So Robinhood chain
synergies
is their permissionless AI native.
Yeah.
So many buzzwords. L2 built specifically for financial services, real world assets, but okay.
That's great. I mean, that's
prediction markets fit perfectly there. World can now tap into Robinhood's massive existing retail user base.
Yeah.
But there's a business funding and partnership angle. This smells like a strategic deal or heavy partnership. Or soft acquisition vibes. Robinhood is aggressively pushing into prediction markets.
Yep.
It's the fastest growing revenue line for them and on-chain stuff. So World team probably got an offer they couldn't refuse, which includes, you know, the distribution, compliance help from Robinhood as a regulated broker, users capital. Like, it can't just be synergy. There's always
synergies. You gotta move fast. You gotta go move fast. You're like, guys, how long is it gonna take us to do this? They're like, oh, it's gonna take us like, I don't know. Why don't we just acquire, like, do mergers and acquisitions?
Yeah.
Because also, like, for World, like, where is your user base? Right. So it is. I hate saying it. It's a win-win.
Win-win is not that bad.
It's a win-win.
It's not bad as synergies.
Synergies. But yeah, no, that's actually very exciting. Which opens the door for your Solana. Like,
I mean,
you can literally just launch that.
We didn't announce any, like, we never announce anything of our stuff. Like, we just talk.
You can literally now just say, okay, so.
But like, I'm not gonna say anything negative. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I can always beep it out. So what were you gonna say?
It's just, I feel like, I don't know. You just gotta go where the money is.
Yeah. I think that's a good partnership.
No, it makes sense. It makes sense. But I don't know how the Solana Foundation feels now. So you also sent in the research and development channel the thing
Yeah,
about
the
the
Anthropic.
artifacts.
Yeah. So this is something just a
So
recent announcement. I saw Boris.
Boris, it's this
Yeah,
chick.
he was excited about it. Well, I didn't send you the tweet that he wrote.
Artifacts are now also available for Pro and Max users, and with Artifacts, Claude can publish its own work as a live web page. You create one by just asking Claude to create an artifact, and Claude writes it as an HTML or a Markdown file right in your project. It asks if it can publish and then hands you a URL on Claude.ai. The page is hosted, so you just have to open a link instead of having to open a file out of your project. It updates it all real time in place while Claude keeps working, so you can just leave the tab open and watch it all update in real time.
See, this is why I'm so glad we adopted the API first and MCP first
We
approach.
already knew that this is
Yeah.
this is the direction where we're gonna go.
Exactly.
But let
This
me
is
see.
really useful.
Let's see. What did she prompt? Let me see.
She just wrote create
let me
make an
see.
artifact.
She said make an artifact.
Yeah.
Walk me through this PR as an artifact and annotate the diff. Okay, watch this now. I'm in our daily update. Okay, I'm just gonna ask Claude Code. All right, so here we go. So we got this. What's hot, right? Like this is the headlines we just looked at just now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's create an artifact. Let's see if this is actually works for me. Create an artifact for the what's hot today. Right? I'm not going to tell it how, right? It's all about just tell it the end results that you're looking for, and it will figure it out. Let's see.
Yeah.
Nice. I saw it. Successfully loaded the skill. Wow. Okay.
Let's see.
It's something's working. Scanna sovereign analyst. Okay.
Oh, it's gonna use our theme as well.
Is it? Oh. Okay.
Wait, why did you do this in the OBS data feed repo?
Oh, that's where I was. Anyway,
Oh, okay.
don't worry, I won't commit. So. Oh, this is great. Like yesterday, I was like, okay, you need to get the OAuth working. And I was like, no, it's like instant. I can go from Cloud Code, push it into.
Well, I'll still get the OAuth working for
You
the
should.
desktop app. Yeah.
So what model am I on?
You're on Opus 4.8, right?
Opus 4.8. Oh shit! Is my context window 95?
That shit is wrong.
That's wrong. Yeah,
That
it's
status
annoying.
line context is not right. I'm gonna remove it.
Let's take a look. This is a Scanna brand data board. Nice. Okay, this is. Yeah, it is using our theme.
Oh, nice. Okay.
It is using our theme.
Well, the nice thing is it could use anyone else's theme too. So if someone else has a product they're building, like it's
But how long is this gonna take?
Yeah, it's taking a while.
I'm assuming it's just a simple static HTML page, or is it gonna be dynamic? Is it gonna like refresh the data?
I expect the artifacts to be dynamic because it's like.
I think they're just going to be a dump of CSV, so I don't think it's live. But if it puts the plumbing,
like there should be charts, it should be interactive. Like that's what I'm expecting.
That would be amazing if it actually does like if it's dynamic.
So that's what I was talking to you about. How like we should probably have some logic to help guide Claude in creating these artifacts so that it actually does a good job.
Okay, right now it's running into some problems. Okay. What's hot HTML? Okay, so it's writing it. Oh, it's gonna open it up for me. Page not found. Okay, I'm not signed in. Let's sign in there.
Okay.
Check this out.
Dude, how long did that take? Like 3 minutes?
3 minutes and 9 seconds.
Oh.
Now, today's lead market, like for some reason it highlighted this, but I can't click on that. There's nothing to click, right?
This was not interactive at all, right?
full board. But why it brought this one because it says lead market. So probably based on heat score. All right, so I just did something very simple. I said create an artifact for what's hot today, right? It loaded up the skill. It would be interesting to read this skill, right? The artifact design. So there's all that stuff. But then where did it pull the data? Okay, so they build a site. And see, it's a snapshot. I bet it was a snapshot. Right? Done all this. Let's see what it here. So done. Here's what's hot today. So it gives me a link. It's built on Scanna, the sovereign analyst. So this is our theme. So it's stayed on brand, information design. It's terminal. It's not an essay. Committed all that. Data snapshot. Okay, yeah, do you see? I knew it was a snapshot. Data is the snapshot I just pulled. Two things I can you can tell me to change. Want me to wire it up? Ooh. Into the override repo. So now, yeah. Okay, so now we can just have this now as a page. Oh, live. Feed.
Say
Instead of static snapshots. Or keep it as standalone shareable artifact. Well, this would be awesome. Like, okay, now go post it Twitter. Right?
Ask it. Turn this into an image that is postable on Twitter.
I can pull the model versus market edge. Dude, we've been waiting for this moment. It's finally has arrived.
They had artifacts this whole time.
No, but from Claude code to directly, like, I don't want to leave. I just want to stay in the terminal.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's taken like I haven't opened up Visual Studios in what now? Like over a month, 2 months?
Dude, I was telling you. Like, dude, get CMUX.
Like, I'm not, yeah. I love it. Damn. It's good. It's really good. But unfortunately, it's like not interactive. It would be nice if we click on it and then it shows the chart.
Yeah, that's
Right?
ideally. Yeah. But this is what I mean. We need to give some skills or some prompts to Claude so that if anyone's using our MCP and they actually ask for artifacts, Scanna can help and guide, the artifact creation so that it's proper. It actually shows, a chart. It's interactive. It's whatever. It asks the questions. It clarifies. You know what I mean?
Well, that's just the visualization, which now I think we've completed the whole entire loop, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, from ingestion to analysis to visualization.
So I haven't updated the MCP to access all the additional data that I gave the API. But it's going to be crazy when you're going to be able to pull oil and gas data, the Hormuz data, this data, and you can create the art. It's going to be like, what the hell? It's going to be insane.
And then it's like, okay, too much information. Do I really need all? No, just let the AI figure it out.
Yeah.
And then give me your final analysis. And then, by the way, create the video because I'm too busy. So it creates the video of the scenarios that are playing out, right? So the live version belongs in the app, not the artifact. So Claude AI CSP can't reach the Scanna API. Well, but if we connect it, it can. So if I go to Claude Desktop, add the MCP, authenticate, then it would be able to, technically, right? So in this repo, that means a new scene that reads stats markets from this. Live pipeline, other scenes, okay. Operator console tab. Dude, it's going to push this out to our scenes, to our remote control. On air, like, let's do everything. This is going to create the actual overlay too.
Really?
Yeah, because I'm inside this project. Very interesting.
I need to get out of here.
Like you need to go run an errand, or you need to get out
No,
of.
I need to get out of Ottawa.
I thought you're Miami Beach right now.
Miami. Yeah.
Okay, I now have everything I need. Wow. I mean, you could get very specific. I mean, you can wire it up to Figma. Here's the design. Here's the app. Here's the interface. Like this is, you can get more creative control. But right now, I'm just like, okay, let's just see what you can do. So created the artifact. It's pretty nice. Let's see if it is available in my artifacts here. Yeah, there it is. 17 minutes ago.
Oh, nice.
Oh, it launches here.
Nice.
But I wanted to interact with it within the desktop. I didn't want to go to the. It's nice. See, now it does. You don't even have to ask. It's like it knows. Like I need to test. It was so frustrating before. It's just like, okay, I'm done. Go check it, and then it puts the onus on you. Now it's like, okay, I'm doing some unit tests. It's passed. Earlier it says, okay, rejected. It failed. You know, that now it's becoming a little bit. It's a little more helpful. So there we go. Look at that. It already does the test for me. So 43 passed. Like, what am I going to do here? Sit there and go through each one? I mean, that was in the early days. Back in my day, I used to be a QA. What does that mean, Grandpa? I used to do unit testing. Yeah, a whole job with just QA, quality assurance.
Did you hear static or no?
No. So the static is definitely comes in when it tries to suppress any sound. So if you're hearing it, it's because I'm sending you some background noise. So it tries to mask it with some white noise. And then I hear it when sometimes when your beard touches the mic, when it's a
My
bit too
beard?
when sometimes if it's too close or you sigh, you know, I get the static.
Are you getting static right now?
No, it's fine. Or maybe sometimes it's a bird or a car. I've noticed this seems to be the issue.
But that's weird because I have zero audio processing. I don't have the Rode
No, it's me.
app.
I have it
Oh, it's you.
on, so for example, so it's probably suppressing it on my end. That's why you don't hear it.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay, so it's done a lot of stuff here. It ran some tests, more tests. Claude and Chrome. It checked the navigation, more navigation. More navigation. I mean, wow. Okay, so now it's starting. To verify the live console. Can you imagine going back to doing all this stuff by hand? Like you probably wouldn't even do it.
No, it's just insane. It's actually just insane.
There's still money to be made in websites.
It is, you know, all this really is an echo chamber, right?
Building
like
website.
we think like we're behind, you know. We think like, oh my God, everything's moving so fast, and it's just like, yeah, because we're looking at the 0.001% of like the top AI research. Like it's Twitter is an echo chamber. The majority of people, it's like you'll tell them about like these repos we're looking at. Oh, Graphify this. And they're like, what the f- are you talking about? Just like no clue.
Yeah.
they're still prompting like back and forth. They're not using loops. They're not building, you know, the things
Harnesses.
we learned in the yeah, harness engineering, the course we took on agentic engineering.
There's a point where you reach like you can't even keep up. You feel like you're drowning. And then you figure out sort of like, okay, you know what? Like with each model release, there's like, okay, with 4.8, oh my, I'm not sure why I'm even on Opus 4.8. Why am I not using Fable 5? I think I had it set up on default. Like, why is it? Why is it not? Why is it
An
not?
artifact might be overkill for Fable though.
Let's see here, model. Like, why is it? Like default. Oh, it defaults to 4.8. I can click on it, and now it's available, hosted on Claude.ai.
Awesome.
And we can share. All right, I'll see you after, how long? An hour or so?
My appointment's at 1. Gonna have lunch right. No, I'll see you at like 3.
Oh,
You can hear it.
Yeah,
I'm
because you're sharing your screen.
Yeah.
We gotta cut out a couple parts in this episode.
Yeah.